this video, we're going to have a discussion on dictionaries, a very important topic in Python data structures. Dictionaries is yet another topic like lists, but a bit of different and impressive. So, what are dictionaries? Dictionaries are basically used to store a collection of data, any type of data, whether it be an integer, float, or any decimal type, square character, any data we can store. And the fun fact, or you can say interesting thing about dictionaries, we use key value pairs in it. Key value pairs you might familiar a little bit in databases, but not, and that's just forgot that. So what we are gonna look at right now. Let's just start code so that you can understand better. So let's say we have our dictionary D1, and how we initialize it, we just simply do this. So actually we have created an empty dictionary. So this is a dictionary which is empty, means no elements. And how we can write elements? For example, let's say we want to write let's say roll number and the student name. So our roll number will be like integer values. So let's say 1, and then we'll separate it with a colon. Then our student name, obviously it's a string, so let's just put it, let's say John. Next student will be with roll number 2, let's say name Harry. Another student with roll number 3, let's say Tony. And you can put some space, okay, not this space. So actually we have created a dictionary of 3 elements. So if I will print it, just simply D1, let's just run this. Yeah, there you go. We got a key value pair of dictionary. You see, 1 with John, 2 with Harry, 3 with Tony. And we can also access each of them. For example, let's say I just want to grab the 0th. So it should print John. Oops, what key error? Okay, got it. I have to print the right key. Yep, it means I have to put the key of which I have to access the value. Okay, so for key 1 we have value John, which is right there. Let's put 2 and now run it. Now the value in key number 2, or key with second key, is Harry. So as this what we get, let's just write a for loop to iterate through all of these values. Just do a for I in range, let's say up to D1 dot length. Okay, D1. Okay, now we'll print D1 and put our I iterator here. Okay. Now if we hit run, whatever. Okay, this should start from 1. Yep. John and Harry. Why did I need to print this? Okay. +1. Yep. There you go. Now we got John, Harry, Tony. Perfect. Now let's just do some basic functions, or operations on our dictionary. Let's say dictionary dot. First of all, length. What will it do? It simply prints the length of the dictionary. For this case, we have a length of 3. Means we have 3 key value pairs in our dictionary. So we get a 3. Okay. Let's just do something like print. Okay, d1 dot values. You can even think of it. It means print all the values of this dictionary. So let's just run it. There you go, dictionary values. What are values we do have? It's John, Harry, and Tony. These are values. These were inside thing. And similarly, we can do with keys. So what keys do we have? We have 1 and 3. Okay. The example. Let's write one more example. Let's say instead in keys we'll put our states. For example, not state. Let's put countries. For example, India with capital and values will be capital. So it's Delhi. Let's say for another we'll put America with capital Washington. Yeah, that might be correct or not. Okay. Another thing. What happened? Okay. Yeah. This one. Okay. Another country can be which country? Give me an A. Faster. Okay. France. Perfect. And the capital of France is Italy. It's Paris. Okay. Perfect. Okay, well, let's just also name it capital. Okay. Capitals. So now if I print our capital, look at this. Look at this. Our key value pair of countries and their capitals. Okay. So now we again can do similar things. Let's say we'll put our value, a key India. Yep. So it will print out its value. That's Delhi. What about America? It will print its value. That is Washington. And right or left, France. Okay, so it will again print out Italy, Paris. So I thought this would be a great example for dictionaries, and hope you like this example. Okay, so yeah, this pretty much wraps up all about dictionaries. Hope you see you next time.